Looking to earn money from home with just your typing skills? Let us talk about transcribing jobs and how they work. A transcription job involves listening to audio or video recordings and typing out exactly what is being said into text format. There are three main types of transcription: general, which includes interviews, podcasts, and meetings; medical, which covers doctor's notes and patient records; and legal, for court hearings and depositions. To succeed in transcription, you will need good listening skills, fast and accurate typing, strong grammar and punctuation, and attention to detail. Most transcribers use headphones, transcription software, and sometimes a foot pedal to pause and play audio efficiently. To start, you can apply on freelance platforms or transcription websites like Rev, Transcribing, and GoTranscript. Some even offer training. Transcribing is flexible, remote, and a great side hustle. Want to learn more? Like, share, and follow for more career tips.